beast inside of me. The moonlight guides a secret life in the streets. I'm the kind of creep that you don't wanna meet in the jungle made of concrete.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Wes with Dirt Concepts. I know it's been a while since I've had any kind of video for you guys, but looking to get back into the gear of it now that the business summer is a little bit over. So getting some fall club racing and trophy races. So anyway, today I'm out at the track. It's Sunday morning. Track's just awesome right now, so I figured I'd get out Big Night Design gas truck, and I'm actually trying out the Double D V2s from J Concepts. These are green compound. I'm actually running closed cell foams, so V-cut them, hole punched them in the rear for a little bit more traction. But I ended up actually being able to take off some of the rear brass weight ballast just because the truck has so much traction. I don't even need it. So definitely check these tires out. They really made a big difference. Along with, I'm actually running a lower gear ratio. So I'm running the 57 tooth spur gear, and it allows you to lower your rear roll center as well. So overall, all these changes, you know, it's just a lot more overall traction with the truck, both in the corners, corner exit, as well as, you know, straight line acceleration. So definitely recommend these upgrades. So anyway, let's take a look at a couple laps with it. I'm a little bit rusty, so just kind of see through that, but the truck drives phenomenal. So I will post the link in the description to my setup for the gas truck that I'm running this morning, and you can try it out and see what you think. Thanks for watching. Getting a little fuel in it, made a little setup change. Is the name of the game. Man, I just don't have the steering you guys have. That's where you're killing me, is 180s in this off camera, dude. I just can't do it. You know, nothing pulling the truck around the track. Not that I can't do the layout, obviously I can do all the jump. Oh, he's working his way around me. It's cool though, you guys can kind of see the speed comparison between the A-scale nitros and the gas truck. Whoa. Don't mind my driving. Oh man. Oh, that was almost perfect. There's just no margin error on that off camber.